This lesson is on the area of composite shapes. So what composite shapes are a shape made up of more than one shape. So let's call it we'll say a figure because we're using the word shape too many times. A figure made up of more than one shape. We have some examples for you to go over. The number one rule here is going to be to break apart the shapes and label them. This is for showing your work, and label the parts. That's going to be important when I'm checking your work. If we're looking at this shape right here, this is made up of, right here we have a parallelogram, and then we have this right here, which is half of a circle. So we're going to break these apart. I'm just going to draw a line across right here. I'm a little low, I think, but I don't want to black out where it says 12 centimeters. So let's call this 1 and this 2. We're going to break this down. We're going to find the area of both of those. So let's start with the area of 1. We're going to write area, and then we're going to put a little sub 1 next to that so we know which shape we're talking about. It's labeled 1 here, and then the 1 corresponds with our formula. So area of this is going to be base times height because it's a parallelogram. Well, we know the base is going to be 12 centimeters because it's the same as this up here. So we have 12 centimeters, and then the height of just this parallelogram right here is labeled as 7. So this is times 7 centimeters. So 7. Plug that into our calculator. Area sub 1 is going to give us 84 centimeters squared. Now let's go over and do the second shape. So I'm going to put an area sub 2 here. Again, this is half a circle. Well, we know that the formula for area of a circle is pi r squared, so we are going to divide that by 2, and that's where this dividing by 2 comes from because we only need half the circle. Now we're going to plug in what we know. We have our pi, our radius here. So this gives us the diameter all the way across. If the whole way across is 12, then that means that each side here each radius is 6. So I'm going to put in 6 centimeters squared for my radius. And again, we're dividing it by 2 because it is only half of a circle. Plug this into your calculator. We'll round it to the nearest tenth. If it doesn't tell you what to round it to, just round it to the nearest tenth. But usually the problems will. 56.5 centimeters squared. Now that we have both of them, we're going to add together. So our total area is going to be the area of shape 1 plus the area of shape 2. That's 84 centimeters squared plus 56.5 centimeters squared. And that is going to give us 140.5 centimeters squared. This next example right here, I'm going to break these. It's kind of already broken up for us. So this is going to be 1, this is going to be 2, and this is going to be 3. If we look at shape 1, area sub 1, this is a quarter of a circle. Quarter circle. So if we were to take a circle and break it up into quarters, that's what we're seeing right there. So our formula for a circle, pi r squared, we are going to divide that by 4 to get the quarter right there. Plug in what we know. We can see right here that the radius of this circle is 4 centimeters. So we have 4 centimeters squared divided by 4. When we plug this into our calculator, rounding to the nearest tenth, that gives us 12.6 centimeters squared. Moving on to shape 2. So let's look at this right here. We know that from here to here is 10. Well, we know this radius right here is 4. So that means to get from here, to get 10, this has to be a 6. So right here, 4 plus another 6 will give us that 10 whole. We need that dimension. So area of the second shape, it's a parallelogram, base times height. My base right here is 4. And we just figured out that my height is 6. So that's going to give us 24 centimeters squared. Shape 3 is the same as shape 1. So area of, 3, that's going to equal 1. So when we add all of these up, we have 12.6 centimeters squared plus 24 centimeters squared plus another 12.6 centimeters squared. I'm running out of room here, and that's going to give us 49.2 centimeters squared as our answer.